Okay guys, let's go here na sa Golden State Warriors versus the Memphis Grizzlies. So ayan, Golden State Warriors versus the Memphis Grizzlies. Sa mga nagugustuhan yung aking content, please subscribe my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Standing Warriors mga boss. 14-11, 14 wins, 11 losses. Grizzlies 18-9, 18 wins, 9 losses. So the Grizzlies number 2 na yan. Alam ko number 7 yung Warriors. So ayan, hindi ko na-edit, sorry. Spread natin Warriors plus 2, Grizzlies minus 2, over under 235. So the Warriors. So let's go here at our health and availability. So sa standing lamang yung Memphis Grizzlies. So una natin tinitingnan yung standing. Kita natin na lamang yung Memphis Grizzlies. So may moment, ang tingin ko doon mas may momentum sila kaysa sa Golden State. So Warriors, Moses Moody out. So ayun lang yung out sa Golden State Warriors, pero I think malaking kawalan din si Moses Moody. Malaking tulong siya off the bench. So next is for the Memphis Grizzlies. Castleton out, Gigi Jackson out, Yuki Kawamura out, Ja Morant questionable, Smart doubtful, Vince William Jr. out, J Huff out. So, ayan. As we can see, napakarami ng out sa Memphis Grizzlies. Pero, they are used to it naman. So, sanay naman silang marami talagang out sa kanila. Talagang injury-prone team sila. Hindi natin alam baka sa type of play nila, kaya sila injury team. So, injury-prone team. So, yan yung ating line na out health and availability. So, for the health and availability, mas may edge tayo sa Golden State. Medyo mas kompleto sila. Isa lang yung kulang. And, sana naman makalaro si Ja Morant to make this match more interesting and fun. So, ayan. Talagang nakaka-entertain kasi maglaro si Ja Morant. Lalo na yung mga high flyer niya. Saka yung mga antics niya sa court, napakagandang panoorin. So, next, helpful facts. Steph Curry and the Golden State Warriors have won just 2 of their last 10 games, heading into Thursday's matchup with a surging Memphis Grizzlies squad. So, ayan, napakalakas ng Memphis Grizzlies ngayon. Tapos, 2 out of 10 lang yung Golden State Warriors. So, Memphis currently sits in the number 2 spot in the Western Conference, and it's won 8 of its last 10 games to get there. So, ayan, 8-10 sila. So, Golden State Warriors 2-10 and Memphis Grizzlies 8-10. Golden State started fast, but it has what would be the worst offensive rating in the NBA when Steph Curry isn't on the floor this season. So, ayan. Ayan, so pag wala si Steph, talagang bumababa yung offensive rating nila. So, ayan, Dennis Schroeder will be playing for the first time for the Golden State Warriors. So, ayan, makita natin, interesting to kung anong magiging kalalabasan ng paglalaro ni Dennis Schroeder. So, what will happen? Kasi mababa yung rating nila. So, pag wala si Steph na siya yung point guard. So, naglagay sila ng scorer point guard. So, sana makatulong ito sa Golden State, hopefully. So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. So, final pick. For me, Warriors plus 2. Why Warriors plus 2? Sa recent matchup kasi nila, hirap na hirap yung Memphis. So, though nag-improve ng malaki yung Memphis this season. Pero, for me, Warriors pa rin. Maganda yung rotation nila pag andyan si Steph. So, plus yung addition ni Schroeder. Tingin ko makakatulong yun. And para tingin ko kasi sa laruan nila, medyo talagang hirap yung Memphis sa laruan ng Golden State. I know kulang pa rin yung Golden State, pero for me Golden State talaga plus 2. That's Golden State plus 2. So over under 235. Nakikita ko yung previous matchup nila, mababa yung over under. Though bumilis na sila ngayon yung Memphis dahil kay Ja Morant, bumilis yung laruan nila. Tingnan na lang natin. Pag hindi lumaro si Ja Morant, garantisado under yan, Brad. Under yan, mga Brad. So, that's Warriors plus 2, over under 235. So, that's my say to this game. Anong thoughts anong thoughts ninyo, anong prediction ninyo? Please comment down below kung ano ang prediction ninyo and thoughts for this game. So let's discuss it at the comment section. So that's all guys. Thank you.